Our second video for fluid contamination, aeration, and causes and effects. Contamination in the fluid. A contaminated system can be the result of several factors. System design inadequate, poor maintenance of the system, poor housekeeping of the system, and adverse operating conditions. Number A, system design inadequate. Number 1, reservoir which cannot be cleaned. Number 2 is breathers that permit abrasive inherent in the atmosphere to enter the system. Poor cylinder packing design, no wiper to clean dirt from the piston rod. Number 4, improper piston rod design. Piston rods with poor wear characteristics. Improper valving anti-cavitation checks omitted from the cylinder circuits with rapid drop characteristics. Failure to provide adequate filtration. These are some of the points of inadequate system design. Fluid contamination, aeration, and its causes and effect. Number 2, poor maintenance of the system. Improper and unclean practices when adding fluid in the system. Failure to clean breathers. Failure to change pitted cylinder rods and worn cylinders packings. Failure to use good cleanliness practices when changing system components. Failure to change filter cartridges and or fluid at proper intervals. Failure to purge debris from the system after a pump failure. Poor housekeeping of the system. Surgical cleanliness is not required. However, ordinary clean practices during assembly will pay off in increased service life of the equipment. Excessive and improper use of pipe thread sealers on lines and gaskets in the system can cause pump failures. This is especially true when type of sealer is used that hardens. Another cause of contamination is fittings, hoses, and lines which are received from a vendor uncapped. The use of brazed or welded fittings and pickled steel plating can also contribute to the contamination. Because covering the preparation of pipes, tubes, and fittings should be referred to and followed. This will lower the possibility of premature failure to the contamination of the system. So we have given you the fluid contamination, aeration causes and effects. Contamination may cause by system inadequate design, poor maintenance in the system, poor housekeeping of the system, adverse operating conditions. Adverse operating condition can also affect contamination. From experience, we have found that machines used in very dusty atmosphere and in windy areas require special components. For example, heavy-duty breathers, chrome-plated pistons, plus frequent changes of the filter cartridges are also required. If suppose the hydraulic equipment is installed around a very high temperature, special seals are required. F3 models are recommended with special seals and special applications requirements. Now, effects of contamination on the components. Contamination affects all types of hydraulic equipment adversely. Precision, high tolerance parts are very susceptible to the effects of contamination. Dirty fluid causes wear, which accelerates leakage and dissipation of heat in the system. Heat lowers the lubricity of the hydraulic fluid and causes additional wear. If a hydraulic pump or a motor should fail, the system becomes contaminated. Remove the unit for repair. The reservoir must be drained, flushed and cleaned. All hoses, lines, cylinders and valves should be inspected for wear and particles of the unit that failed. Flush all components of the complete system to remove metallic particles. Replace filter elements. Dispose of the fluid removed from the system and fill the reservoir with clean hydraulic fluid. Install a new or rebuilt unit and start up the system. Allow the system to run for a period of time to verify normal operation. Filter elements should be changed after 40 or 50 hours of operation. Filter elements should be changed after 40 or 50 hours of operation. This guarantees that system is essentially clean and free of any residue of failed unit. A very good reference is available from different fluid power manufacturers, similarly from Vickers also, from Rexroth also, from Parker and other major hydraulic component manufacturers. A very good maintenance staff and well-educated and well-trained maintenance staff will help to bring maximum productivity to the whole operation. Thank you. This is Adnan Sani from Sani Enterprises. Our second video for contamination of hydraulic oil and suggestions to eradicate contamination, how to eradicate contamination in the oil of the hydraulic system, hydraulic machine, which will give zero production loss and will help you to keep your mills, sugar mills, cement plants, machinery, plastic machinery, steel mills, plastic injection molding machines, die casting machines, aeroplanes, submarines, ships, earth moving machines, automobile power steering system, brake system in the best possible way and to continue its operation trouble-free. Have a trouble-free life with zero contamination in your hydraulic oil. Thank you very much. This is Adnan Sani from Sani Enterprises. We are here to give you free hydraulic education, free training and free services. Call us 92315-422-5402, 92312-422-5402, SaniAdnan@yahoo.com, Adnan Sani, SaniAdnan@gmail.com, Adnan_Sani@yahoo.com. These videos are tribute to Mr. Harry Vickers of Vickers Detroit and Mr. Muhammad Sani of Sani Enterprises, who introduced me to Vickers. Thank you and bye-bye.